Was that really a robot strolling outside Engine AI's Shenzhen headquarters? Absolutely. A recent viral video captured the SE-1 humanoid robot walking so smoothly that some viewers mistook it for CGI. But Engine AI confirms it's the real deal. The company hasn't clarified if the robot was remotely controlled or acting on its own. However, they've shared that their cutting-edge algorithms and joint technology enable the robot to move just like a human. Meanwhile, at CES 2025 in Las Vegas, Engine AI debuted not just the SE-1, but two other robots, the SA-1 and PM-1, each crafted for different purposes. The SE-1 stands out as their first full-size general-purpose humanoid robot, standing 1.7 meters tall, weighing 55 kilograms, and designed for tasks ranging from heavy lifting to precise assembly in industrial settings. What makes the SE-1 robot from Engine AI so lifelike? The team uses a mix of deep reinforcement learning, imitation learning, and harmonic force control in its joints, paired with a comprehensive neural network model. This high-tech blend allows the SE-1 to perform movements that are usually tough for robots, like squatting, push-ups, and even running, all with a natural fluidity that tackles the common issue of robotic movements being stiff or awkward. During the CES 2025 event, Engine AI also unveiled the SA-1, a lighter humanoid robot weighing 40 kilograms and designed mainly for research and education. It features an open-source platform, which means schools and research labs can tweak its software or hardware to fit their specific projects. The SA-1's body is made of aluminum alloy, making it strong and durable. It's also energy efficient, using about 200 watts while walking, and it can run and jump as needed. With a price tag of $5,400, the SA-1 stands out as a more budget-friendly option compared to other humanoid robots on the market. Due to its affordability and capabilities, the initial demand for the SA-1 was so high that Engine AI had to ramp up production to keep up. Meet the PM-1, Engine AI's latest creation in humanoid robots. This model is designed to be both light and agile, making it a great choice for developers eager to test out what humanoid robots can do. The PM-1 stands about 1.38 meters tall, weighs 40 kilograms, and is equipped with 24 degrees of freedom, giving it a wide range of movement. One of its coolest features is the ability to rotate its waist up to 320 degrees, letting it perform impressive acrobatic tricks. The PM-1 also comes with two walking modes, a mechanical gait mode, which is more robotic, and a natural human gait mode that closely imitates how humans move. Much of the PM-1's adaptability is due to the sophisticated software it runs on its built-in computer. It's compatible with x86 architecture and NVIDIA Jetson Orin modules, which helps it handle complex tasks like real-time object recognition and advanced motion control. Engine AI aims to market the PM-1 to both commercial and educational sectors, making it ideal for interactive demos, research projects, or even roles in customer service. Plus, they're offering a promotional deal that lasts until the end of March 2025. The PM-1 robot from Engine AI is available in both commercial and educational versions, each priced around $13,700, or roughly 88,000 yen. There's also a handy option that lets owners upgrade from one version to the other at no extra cost. While some reports hint the price could be closer to $12,000, possibly due to exchange rate fluctuations or different configurations, the expected price generally hovers in the low teens. Engine AI, under the leadership of founder and CEO Xiaotangi, has quickly made its mark in the robotics field. Xiaotangi started Duox in 2016, focusing on humanoid robots, then co-founded XP Robotics, where he contributed to developing a four-legged robot that achieved international success. His work on the humanoid PX5 project at NVIDIA's GTC 2024 drew considerable attention. Following PX5's success, Xiao left Zhang Robotics and established Engine AI in 2023 with about 100 million yen in angel funding. Engine AI first introduced the SE1 in late October 2024 and made a splash at CES 2025 with its full lineup, capturing attention worldwide. Xiao's vision for the company is to drive forward the embodied intelligence revolution and push towards an era of artificial general intelligence. Xiao is determined to create robots that do real work in real environments, not just showpieces for exhibitions. With ambitious plans to produce over 1,000 units by the end of 2025, Engine AI is confident in its ability to scale up production significantly. During their presentation at CES, the team showcased the SE1 robot's capabilities beyond simple walking. It's engineered for tough factory tasks, such as lifting heavy items and precisely positioning components on assembly lines. The robot's advanced joint modules contribute to its stability, reducing the risk of toppling when it maneuvers awkward loads or traverses uneven terrain. Engine AI stresses that all three of their robots, the SE1, SA1, and PM1, utilize sophisticated AI motion control technologies. They incorporate deep reinforcement learning, which allows the robots to learn and refine their actions through trial and error, and imitation learning, which mimics human movement. This strategy has led to smoother and more natural movement compared to many earlier humanoid robots. The SE1 robot has become a popular choice in academic settings for its openness and affordability, features that are especially appealing compared to other bipedal research platforms. This openness allows students and researchers to delve into and modify the robot's firmware, operating systems, or hardware configurations. They can integrate new sensors or modules as their projects demand, accelerating robotics research. This flexibility not only enables teams to build upon Engine AI's base designs, but also to potentially share their enhancements with the wider community. Meanwhile, the SA1 robot with its 40-kilogram frame is built to endure the typical wear and tear found in laboratory environments, an essential quality where equipment frequently sustains damage. The PM1 is tailored for various tasks and environments, distinguishing it from its counterparts. Engine AI's commitment extends beyond the laboratory and exhibition halls. They aim to produce robots that are capable of performing real-world tasks. By the end of 2025, they plan to manufacture over 1,000 units. At CES, they demonstrated that the SE1 can do much more than basic locomotion. It is capable of executing demanding tasks, such as lifting heavy items and placing components precisely on assembly lines. Its design ensures stability even when handling bulky objects or navigating rough terrains, proving its utility in everyday operations. Engine AI employs innovative methods like deep reinforcement learning and imitation learning to teach their robots how to move. Deep reinforcement learning allows robots to learn from their mistakes, while imitation learning involves mimicking human movements. These techniques enhance the fluidity of the robot's movements, making them more human-like. The SE1 is particularly favored in educational and research settings due to its affordability and open design. Users can easily modify it by adding new sensors or altering its software and hardware. This flexibility accelerates research by enabling people to build on Engine AI's groundwork and share their advancements with the broader community. The SA1 and PM1 robots are built to withstand significant wear and tear, an important feature in lab environments where equipment is prone to damage. The PM1, being smaller and agile, is especially adept at performing tasks in confined spaces or for demonstrations, thanks to its ability to twist its waist 320 degrees and its 24 degrees of freedom. Engine AI is committed to having their robots learn from real-world experiences, not just simulations. This approach is crucial for tasks that require balancing, handling various objects, or navigating through changing environments. Skills that are highly valuable in dynamic industrial settings, Engine AI is also dedicated to enhancing the security measures for their robots to ensure both the data collected and the robots themselves are safe from hacking. Additionally, they're pushing forward in making their robots environmentally friendly, exemplified by the SEA-1's low energy consumption, which reflects their commitment to sustainability. In just 5 months, Engine AI has sold about 100 units, indicating a robust market interest in their products. The company stands among several others in the field of humanoid robotics, each focusing on different aspects such as cost efficiency, performance, or open source development. Engine AI strives to strike a balance between offering competitive prices, reliable hardware, and an open development model to cater to a broad audience. Their viral video featuring the SE-1 robot walking realistically outside their headquarters has sparked widespread discussions on social media, highlighting the robot's potential to operate in everyday environments beyond just laboratory settings. This publicity has helped increase awareness of their robot's capabilities. At CES, the demonstration of the SE-1 went beyond mere walking. It showcased its strength and versatility by lifting objects, crouching, and even doing push-ups, proving it's equipped for substantial industrial tasks. Engine AI is initially focusing on industrial applications where robots can assist humans. Meanwhile, showing the diverse potential of their robotic technology in various sectors. Engine AI's founder envisions that the capabilities we're currently seeing in their robots are just the beginning. They believe that these robots represent the early stages of a future where robots could handle almost any task. By maintaining an open-source platform, Engine AI encourages developers to integrate new technologies and enhancements, further advancing the capabilities of their robots. Looking forward, Engine AI plans to expand their robot lineup and collaborate with universities, factories, and laboratories to continuously improve their robots. They're also active on social media and provide support through email and phone, aiming to foster a community around their robotic innovations. Their goal is to continually enhance the performance of their robots and push the boundaries of artificial intelligence. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay updated on all our latest insights and innovations.